Building data documentation is the most boring aspect of using DBT, and if you're anything like me, it's simply frustrating. But good news, Paradime's new AI-driven catalog feature makes building data documentation much faster and a bit less boring. Let's learn how. Let's say you just completed a brand new DBT model, and now you know you've got to spend valuable time creating that absolutely necessary yet boring data documentation. You typically start by creating a schema.yaml file, and then add all the relevant information like the model name, model description, column name, column descriptions, DBT tests, etc.
2 hours later.
Now, in Paradime, we can automate that whole process by going to the model and clicking Generate Docs. This automatically generates a YAML file specific to your model, and here's where the AI feature comes into play. Under Description, you can click Auto Generate, and just look what happens. An in-depth business and technical description is created for you, and you can add, edit, or remove anything you'd like. This description describes the data lineage of my new model, and it digestibly explains every SQL query, subquery, and Jinja macro that I've used. Once you're happy with your description, click the Save icon. Now, if you'd like to create your own classifications in the YAML file, click on Edit, and then add your label and value pair. I'll create one that specifies the owner of this DBT model. Next, you click on Columns, and you edit all the column descriptions, tests, and classifications that you'd like. I want to update the customer ID first, so I click on Edit, and then I click on Description, and I add the description there. And I can even add various text formatting options and hyperlinks if necessary. Once you're done cataloging everything in the UI, you hit Save, and then you go back to the editor to see what your new YAML file looks like. And there it is. Paradime's new AI-driven catalog feature generated a YAML for you and filled it with all the necessary data documentation. This feature makes your data documentation way more efficient and a bit less boring. Enjoy.